Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to create mug holders, two mug holders. My inspiration for this is this wine lover rack. I really love that piece. Like I fell in love with it. Like even though my decoration is a modern decoration, but I like this. I like to incorporate pieces, rustic pieces, into my home. So we're gonna create two mug racks, and we're gonna engrave with a Glowforge. And let's go downstairs so we can start creating, guys. Okay guys, so we're gonna be using for this project some wood, some hooks, and some chalk paint. I googled a few tutorials how to paint the wood. I'm not an expert, but it came out very nice. So you can do the same thing if you want, or you can leave it like that as is. Like you can leave it like that. You can engrave here, and you can leave it as is. But in my case, like I wanted to add some white paint, so that's what I did. It's really easy the way I did it. So if you want to see like step by step, I'm going to be showing you how I used a little bit of chalk paint and I put it in the wood. Like it was almost just a little bit, just to swipe it, you know, to go through the wood, and it came out really nice. So yeah, so let's do our design now, and then we're going to be engraving without Glowforge. So let's continue. I'm so excited to share with you guys the new features that the Glowforge has. You can now create and design everything in here. Usually we used to like design in Illustrator and then, you know, upload the design in here, but now you can create. So this is so cool. Thank you, Glowforge, for this. This is huge. So what we're gonna do now is create a design. So you select new blank design. If you haven't already your design, so you just only have to upload from file, upload the file, right? So we're gonna click here, new blank design, and we are going to, like, if you want to add text, you can add text. If you want to add objects, you can add objects. It's so cool right now. Like it's amazing. Like I love this now. So we're gonna add the text, right? So we click the text tool, and we add our text. I'm going to add coffee right here. Coffee, and then I'm going to be using another font. Like you can change the font. This is so cool, guys. I love this. Let me see, Arizona, kind of cute, right? Regular. Let's see if we have bold. Okay guys, so I was able to figure out like the font that I wanted. So I'll put coffee bar, right? And then I'm gonna add a little coffee. So you hit here, and now you can add whatever you want. Like if you add hearts, it will come up hearts. If you want a truck, it will, you know, we have different objects we can use now. So this is amazing, guys, amazing. I used to buy a lot of CVG files through Etsy, and now everything is free, thanks to Glowforge. So I'm gonna put coffee here. I'm gonna press enter, and voila! I know which one I want to use. I want to use this one. So you click on that little image, and it would be adding your art. See how cute is this? So I'm gonna put a little bit smaller, and I have my design. Guys, I placed some tape on my material, so I masked the material. You'll see, because the result is gonna be better like this. So this is a technique. You use that tape, and you just add it there into the wood. Okay guys, so I'm not sure. Yes, you're able to see it gave me an arrow. It's saying that my material must be less than 0.5 tall with the tray in, or between 1.5 inches and 2 without the tray. So I'm gonna be adding a little bit more height to my material, and then I'm gonna proceed to print again, okay? Okay, so now it's good, and we have here that it will take 42 minutes. So let's proceed, guys. So my design is ready. So cute. I'm gonna proceed to remove the tape, and let's see how it came out. Guys, look at how cute this turns out. It's so freaking cute. I really loved it. So now I'm gonna proceed to add the, okay, where is it? The hangers, the hooks, and then the sawtooth hanger. This little thing, right? It's gonna have 3 hooks, and you'll see in a bit the final result. This is the final result. How cute is this, guys? So this one is gonna go here, and the other one is going on this side. You see? How cute is this? Guys, if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe or hit the like button.